Good morning, students. We are going to study functions today. What is a function? A relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. What is a function? You can see set A has elements A1, A2, A3, A4. The image of A1 in set B is B1, image of A2 is B2, A3 is B3, A4 is B4. Next example is not a function. You can see set A is having A1, A2. Set B is having B1, B2, B3. Image of A1 is B1 and B2. How is it possible that in the morning you look like a man and in the evening you look like a woman? A person cannot have two images. Same way, an element cannot have two images. A1 is having image B1 and A1 is having image B2 in the set B. Then this type of relation is not a function. If f is a function of A to B and AB belongs to f, then FA is equal to B, where B is called, here B is called the image of A. B is called image of A under F, and A is called pre-image of B. Example 1. Consider a relation R x comma y is equal to 2x, where x and y belongs to natural numbers. What is the domain, codomain and range? Domain is the set of first elements, so domain is natural numbers. We are going to put natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in place of x. Codomain is the set of second elements. Codomain is also natural numbers because all the values of y belong to natural numbers. What is range? Range is the set of images of the elements of the first set. What are images? Y is equal to 2x is the function. Put x is equal to 1. The value of y is 2. X is equal to 2. Y is 4. X is equal to 3. Y is 6. 1 has image 2. 2 has image 4. 3 has image 6. 2 has the pre-image is 1. Pre-image is 2. Pre-image is 3. Set of second elements coming as image are 2, 4, 6. Set of images of even natural numbers. Range is set of even natural numbers. Now let us go to example 2. We are giving two relations. First relation is having coordinates 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Second relation 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 8. Which is a function and what is the reason why is it a function? All elements of R1 1, 2, 3, first place elements 1, 2, 3, 4 of the first set have a unique image. 1 is having image 2, 2 is having image 3, 3 is having image 4, 4 is having image 5, and all the images are unique. No first element is repeated with two images. So you can see that R1 is a function. Let us consider R2. Let us see R2. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 8. 1 has image 1, 1 has image 2, 2 has image 3, 3 has image 4. We find 1 has image 1, 1 has image 2. 1 is not having single or unique image. Therefore, R2 is not a function. No first element should have two different images in the second set. Some functions and their graphs. We are going to discuss few functions. Identity function. F is such that R goes to R, where y is equal to fx. Domain. What is the first set? R. Codomain. Second set is R. What is the image? You put 1, it will be answer 1. It will give answer 1. You put 2, it will give answer 2. You put 3, it will give answer 3. So it is a mirror image function which is known as identity function. Its range is also R. You can see the graph is like this. Put x is equal to 1, answer is 1. 2, the answer is 2, 3, answer is 3, 4, answer is 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. This is the graph of identity function. Constant function. F is such that R goes to R, where y is equal to fx is equal to k, x belongs to R. First set R domain, second set R codomain. But in this function there is no x. So whatever is the answer is k only. So range is k. You can see this is the xy plane. The function is fx is equal to k, y is equal to k, y is constant, is a line parallel to the x-axis. Maybe above or maybe below, depending upon the sign of the value of k. Next function is modulus function. F is such that R goes to R, fx is equal to modulus x. What is the definition of modulus x? Modulus x is plus x for x greater than equal to 0. It is minus x for x less than 0. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Let us solve it. When we put positive and 0 values, we will see x. When we will put negative values, we will see minus x. For 0, answer is 0, 1, answer is 1, 2, answer is 2, 3, answer is 3 for fx is equal to x. Now let us see the negative values. Minus minus plus, minus 2 minus minus plus, minus 3 minus 3 minus minus plus. So the graph will be obtained like this. You can see it is a V-shaped graph. Basically in first quadrant and second quadrant, the domain, the first set is R, codomain is R. And what is the range? Range is the set of all positive real numbers starting from 0 to infinity. The next function is greatest integer function. F is such that R goes to R, real number to real number. Fx, what is this? Greatest. What is the meaning of greatest integer function? The greatest integer function means that if you put 1.2, the answer is 1. 2.3, answer is 2. 3.5, answer is 3. 4.7, answer is 4. But in case of negative numbers, minus 1.2, the integer less than minus 1.2 is minus 2. Minus 2.3, 7, the integer less than minus 2.7 is minus 3. Minus 3.5, minus 4, minus 6.9, minus 7. This is having very interesting graph. You can see this black dot means included, this empty dot means not included. Minus 3 included, minus 2 not included. Minus 2 included, minus 1 not included. Minus 1 included, minus 1 not, 0 not included. 1 included, 2 not included. 3 included, 4 not included, 4 included, 5 not included. That means the first element is included and second element is not included. As you can see, it is just like a staircase. It is also known as step function. What is the domain? Domain is R. Range, as you can see, answer is natural numbers in case of positive. Natural numbers in case of positive, but negative numbers, negative integers in case of negative. So we do not consider n the range, or range is capital Z, not capital N. The domain is capital R. What is Z? Z is the set of integers that includes positive, negative integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, up to minus infinity including 0. Next is signum function. What is signum function? According to the definition, f such that R goes to R. Signum function is 1 for x greater than 0, 0 for x is equal to 0, minus 1 for x less than 0. Now, if you see the graph, first is for x greater than 0. For 0 it is 0. You can see the black dot here. But for 1 and more than 1, you are not getting 1 exact. The answer is 1, but not for 0. X is equal to 0, the answer is not 1. For x is equal to 0, the answer is not minus 1. For any other number on right hand side, that is positive side, the answer will come 1. For any number less than 0 except 0, the answer is minus 1. This graph is going parallel to x-axis. This is also parallel to x-axis. This is above, this is below. What is the domain? What is the domain? Domain is capital R, since it is a real valued function. What is a codomain? Codomain is also R. But what is the range? In the range, there are 3 answers possible: minus 1, 0 and 1. Example 3. A function is fx is equal to 2x plus 3. Find f0, f minus 7 and f10. What is f0? In fx is equal to 2x plus 3, put x is equal to 0. You get 2 into 0 plus 3, answer is 3. F minus 7, put x is equal to minus 7, 2 into minus 7, minus 14 plus 3, answer is minus 11. What is f10? f10 is put x is equal to 10, 2 into 10, 20 plus 3, that is 23. Find the domain and range of function where x is equal to real numbers. What is the first function? The first function is minus modulus x. Now, why do we need to find out the domain and range? We need to know what is the first set, what is the second set, what is the set of images in a given function. Fx is equal to minus modulus x. X belongs to real numbers. We can equate any value of x in fx from minus infinity to plus infinity, that is real numbers. There is no problem. The function does not vanish. It gives values for any values, any real number. So domain of the function is set of real numbers. As fx exists for all value of r, domain is capital R. We know that modulus x is greater than equal to 0. We have studied modulus function and it gives positive results, or at the most 0 for any value of x, may be positive or negative. But what about minus modulus x? Whatever answer given by modulus x is positive, but this minus sign changes the sign. So every answer will be now negative. The values obtained will be either negative or 0, equating x in fx is equal to minus modulus x. Hence the range is minus infinity to 0. What will be the codomain? The codomain is also R. Fx is equal to under root 25 minus x square. We know value under the root is positive or 0, then only it is real. Under root 25 minus x square greater than equal to 0 means 25 minus x square greater than equal to 0. 5a square, 25 is 5 square, this is x square. A square minus b square has formula a plus b, a minus b, 5 plus x, 5 minus x, multiplied by minus sign. This inequality sign changes from greater to less. This becomes x minus 5, x plus 5, less than equal to 0. Now x is less than equal to 5 and x is greater than equal to 5 minus 5, or x belongs to minus 5 to 5. That means for values less than equal to 5 are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then greater than equal to minus 5 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. These values can be equated in this under root, because if we equate these values, then the answer will be positive or at the most 0. So the domain of the function is minus 5 and up to 5. Close bracket means minus 5 is included and 5 is also included. For range, y is equal to fx, y is equal to under root 25 minus x square, y square is 25 minus x square is 25 minus y square, x is under root 25 minus y square. X exists if under root 25 minus y square is positive. We know that y belongs to the value of y is between minus 5 to 5, including minus 5 and 5 also. When we equate y is equal to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we find the value of x comes between 0 and 5, including 0 and 5. That is, the maximum value we get is 5 when y is equal to 0. 25 minus 0 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Minimum value is obtained when y is equal to 5. 25 minus 25 is 0. Range of f is 0 to 5 and domain of f is between minus 5 to 5, close bracket. Students, on the basis of this video, kindly do the third exercise of relation and functions. Stay home, stay safe, and keep on studying. Thank you very much.